Good job. Your brother's still. Yo, watch out. Hey, you want to touch the chicken? I want to touch the chicken.
What up, YouTube? We are going to Paula. There's a pit bike race at Paula. The Palmers are there. We're meeting up with them. Go, hey, you want a Krabby Patty? What? You want a Krabby Patty, dog?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
You got your Krabby Patty.
Right. I want one.
No. Placing our bets. I'm gonna say it right now. Kyson's gonna get it.
Caden, because the track's way more open.
No, this is the this is pretty tech. This is the tech track. Kyson, what? What are you? You gotta choose one, bro. Hurry up. I'm gonna be honest. I think
I'll probably go with Kyson.
Kyson.
Oh, you know who's winning? The dude that pulled up in the Corolla, smoking this Cuban.
Yeah, oh my gosh, dude.
Him?
Yeah.
Or if Lieb.
He's on the 50.
If Lieb's there, Lieb's taking the win.
This is literally insane. The party has arrived. This is insane. This is insane.
No gas.
Oh, you out, bro. What up, dude?
Racing. I'll have a bite.
Unbelievable.
What class is this?
I don't even know.
What are you doing, Caden? Are you serious? Come on, Lord. Oh my God! Get back in there! Get in there, ding dong! Last Let's go! Oh my God! Come on! Oh, he's gonna get him! He's gonna get him! Oh, here he goes! Oh!
The Palmers are undefeated.
Oh! There you go, I'm gonna be straight up, dude. What again, bro?
You seen the comeback though? Fast.
Okay, I seen the comeback. You were almost last. That was pretty good, dude.
His bike is fast, dude. It yanks out of the corners, but I'm
going.
Tanner Fox, pit bike streamer.
Matt, nice to meet you, dude.
I pit bike.
What, you fuck?
Get some in there. Yeah. See, she's gold, dude. She's golden.
She'll be right.
Hey, she'll buff out. She'll buff out. You caught up. What up?
Fucking, what's up with that start? Dude, I was like, dude, I looked over you like, the video, I was like, oh.
He's so mad right now.
What?
He's bugging out on a girl. Here we go. Hey, every time it's someone new. Every time.
It's so. Hey, I want to see a wheelie. Wheelie action. No. Come on. You already did one. Cover up.
Oh, it's not good.
Hey, tandem wheelie right now.
Rex, don't throw me off the back.
Get a tandem wheelie right now. Yeah. Oh!
What are you guys doing? Come on!
Hey, for real?
Nice chairs! Come on!
I didn't put it in the first.
No one's listening.
He weighs 250. So many rolls, I can't find which one's a titty.
That's scripted, bro. You've done that before, huh?
I have not. It doesn't count. It's like a skinny dude having abs. It's fuck.
Hey, what are you talking about?
Hey.
Come on, man.
Sorry.
That's what you don't want to do. Zoom into this shit.
Helmet on her. Holy shit. She just...
Doing the same goddamn thing.
Everyone was doing it.
He's bulging for sure.
Bulging.
Oh! Oh my gosh!
Alright, buddy. Main event.
We're gonna ice it. It's gonna be a hell of a show.
So wait, what is this? This is the unofficial main event.
This is the main event.
I guess there wasn't even a main event. From when I was
There was no heat, basically.
No one even has anything. Oh my gosh! Get him, take him out, take him out, take him out, take him out! Oh, get him! Oh, be loud, are you for real? I'll be dirty too, homie.
What's up, bro? Wait, who won? Who won? What's up?
I don't know, I didn't see. He won.
Obviously. Wait, what?
Good job. Your brother's a bitch though.
Tyson? What do you do?
Tyson?
I'm not afraid of that pussy. He has nothing.
You're the pussy. You're the pussy. You fucking learn how to ride. Ella, beat your fucking ass. Don't fucking touch me, you motherfucker. Don't fucking touch me. Don't fucking touch me.
Hey, get off there. Hey, calm down, bro. What's your problem? Hey, just calm down.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? I'm not afraid of that pussy. He doesn't have to.
You're the fucking pussy. You're the pussy. You fucking learn how to ride. Don't fucking touch me. Ella, beat your fucking ass. Don't fucking touch me, you motherfucker. Don't fucking touch me.
Hey, get off there. Look out, look out. Yo, watch out. Relax, bro.
Don't even handle this shit. What?
Hey, you wanna touch the chick, bitch? I wanna touch the chick. Hey, hey, bro.
Oh, yeah, whoa, 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 whoa.
Hey, I got you. Ain't your fucking seat. Get in there. Yo, watch out. Hey, get the fuck off. Get off. That's my boy. You good? Yeah, I'm straight.
Bro, what?
No, back off.
This is insane. This is for a pit bike race.
It's a fucking pit bike race.
This is literally insane.
My leg.
You good?
Just got
This is ridiculous. This is for a pit bike race. I didn't even cut. He cut the track. I know. I have it all on video.
Over and pushed you and you're like, yo, chill.
I tapped her shoulder.
I know. And she thinks she fucking hit you.
That's ridiculous.
Come on, get in, come on.
Let's get out of here.
You good?
That's it. Load the sun's out. Let's go.
You good?
I seen that. I seen that. Nah, you. I don't.
Just this?
Yeah, just you. Good.